This is Self Haircuts by Dane, and welcome back to the channel. So this is how I took my crown from this to this. In this video, I'll share with you 4 tips to help you improve the wave pattern around your crown. So here's the thing, getting waves on the sides is easy. If you're just starting out on your wave journey, and you've been brushing for a little while, getting waves on the side will probably take you a couple of weeks, right? And when I say the side, I mean the hair closest to your hairline, closest to your ears, closest to the back of the head. But the crown is a different game. And the reason why the crown is a different game is because you need to brush intentionally and you need visibility. You need to be able to see it. If you can't see your crown, there's no way to improve the wave pattern around your crown area. All right, first thing, you're going to want to find the root. You're going to want to find the crown. You're going to want to find the spiral in the top of your head. You're going to want to use like a pointy comb or like a pointy brush, and then use either of those to separate the hair. And then after that, you can figure out the brushing pattern. I recommend you get either a 3-way mirror or a hand mirror in order to see the top of your head, because trying to separate the root or the crown of your head is nearly impossible if you can't see it. And once you have the crown separated, then you can brush. Now your brushing pattern or your wave pattern is going to be completely dependent on you. However you want to brush your hair is up to you. But I don't recommend brushing until you separate that crown. You see me kind of slowly going around the crown of my head or the root of my head. And that's once I've already separated the root. Next thing you want to do is to use a crown patch. So after you're done separating your crown, after you're done brushing your crown, put a crown patch on right before you put on your do-rag. And then lastly, use really good products. I use Jamaican castor oil pretty much every single day. And then I also use pomades when necessary. So I hope this helps. Make sure you guys subscribe for more weekly content like this. This is Self Haircuts by Dane. And until next time, take care.